Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to discuss a very common topic. You are very much familiar with the topic, and the topic is nouns. Yes, you know very well that nouns means naming words, name of anything. It may be a person, an animal, a place, an object, a state, a quality, etc. Means whatever in this world you can think of, they all are noun. You see, some examples are there on your screen. You read them. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great leader. A horse can run very fast. He lives in a village. Show me your book. What does not hate slavery? I like you for your punctuality. So see the words Subhash Chandra Bose, horse, village, book, slavery, punctuality. They all are nouns. Subhash Chandra Bose is a name of a person. Horse is an animal. Village is the name of a place. Book is an object. Slavery is a state. And punctuality is a quality. So, a noun is the name of anything. Anything in this world, they all are nouns. Naming word. Now, let's discuss its kinds. See, there are 5 kinds of a noun, and they are proper, common, material, collective, and abstract. So let's discuss them one by one. See the first one. It's proper noun. It's proper noun. See the examples. Salima is a good girl. Shimla is a hill station. The Bible is a sacred book. So the words Salima, Shimla, and Bible are proper nouns. So what do you think? Means a proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. It may be your name, it may be my name, the name of our city, the name of our country, the name of our village. They all are proper nouns. So let us see the second one, that is common noun. See the example. Common noun. He is a student. He went to a zoo. She has a car. So see the word student, zoo, car. So they are common nouns. So what define do you think is up for common noun? A common noun is a name of a person, place, or thing of the same kind or class. Same kind. Just as in the class, boys are sitting, all are of the same time, so we can say them boys. Similarly, girls are there, many bags are there, books are there, fans, tubes, bulbs, they all are common noun because they are the name of a same person, place, thing of the same kind or class. Then the third one is here material noun. Material noun. So material noun, see the examples here. The chair is made of iron. These houses are made of stone. Gold is a precious metal. Is your shirt made of cotton or silk? So see the words iron. See here. Iron, stone, gold, cotton, silk. They are called material nouns. So a material noun is the name of a substance. It is the name of a substance. Out of that things are made. So it's material noun. Iron, stone, gold, cotton, silk, and many more are also there. The next one is your collective noun. Collective noun, as the name also says, that it's collection. Collection. Collection means just as there are 60 students in our class, this is a bunch of bananas. He is a member of our cricket team. The words class, bunch, and team are collective nouns. So there are 60 students in the class, means a class of 60 students. Bunch of banana, team of players, you can say. So the class, bunch, team are the collective nouns. And the last one is our abstract noun. Abstract nouns, see the words here. Laughter is a sign of happiness. Kashmir is known for its beauty. So the words laughter, happiness, beauty are the abstract noun. So an abstract noun is the name of an action, a state, or a quality. It is the name of an action, a state, or quality. So in this way we have discussed the noun and its kind today. See some examples from the exercise I have solved for you so that you can do. See here. He is my friend. We have to tell about the friend. Friend is very much common now. Our army showed bravery. Army is collective and bravery is abstract noun. The table is made of wood. Table, common noun, and wood is material. His ring is made of gold. Ring is common noun and gold is the material noun. Jamshedpur is an industrial town. Jamshedpur is the name of a particular city, so it's proper noun, and town is common. It may be any town. Iron is a useful metal. Iron is proper and metal is common noun. Then Kullu is famous for its apples, proper and common. A horse is a faithful animal, proper and common. When we are talking about the animals, then horse becomes proper. Ganga is an important river of our country. Proper, river common, country common. The workers wanted justice. Workers common and justice is abstract noun. So in this way you can solve the exercise with the help of this video. I hope the things are clear to you. So we have discussed the noun and its kind, and there are 5 kind of noun, and they are proper, common, material, collective and abstract. Proper means particular name. Common, a name given to the same kind of person, place or thing. Material, a substance out of that things are made. Collective means a collection, a group, and abstract means name of any action, a state or quality, means that cannot be seen, but we can think about that, we can feel about that. It may be any action, it may be any state, or it may be any quality. So bye for today. I hope you will solve the exercise number 1 with the help of this video. Bye students.